2 weeks later, the truck bounced as they rode across the rural highway. Pastor Simon Barker was in the passenger seat, staring at the corn stalks racing by as the driver, Pastor Wolf, continued to narrate the obvious. Over here is the Acuna's farm. They're soybean farmers. And over there is a dairy farm, Hornstein's. Huge dairy farmers. As Pastor Wolf droned on, Simon nodded. He rolled down his window to smell the August breeze. They passed an elementary school along with 2 gas stations and a Taco Paco franchise. "You hungry, sir?" the pastor asked. "No, thank you. Maria, back at the church, made me a sandwich." Dots of white houses danced along the horizon. Tractors and combines operated in the distance. The sun beat down on them as the pickup's air conditioning groaned to keep up. They drove past a dead possum and 2 skunks. "Ah, now I see where Taco Paco gets their food from," Simon quipped. Both men began to laugh. Another half-ton truck, blue with a shinier veneer than Pastor Wolf's, approached, which caused the pastor to slow down. "Hey, Harold, good afternoon. How goes it?" the pastor asked while the other driver rolled down his window and waved. Harold had on a green T-shirt with a soybean company logo on his chest. He smoked a cigarette. A baseball cap held its sweat. Cattle mooed in the distance. "I'm doing blessed, thanks," Harold said. "Just headed down to the Bottom Bend to get groceries." "There's always a cost to anything that is cheap," Simon winked. "Secret is in the sin." Harold chuckled. Pastor Wolf nodded at Simon. "Harold, this is Pastor Simon Barker. He's the guy I told you about. He's taken over the sacred ark for me so I can retire. We're headed to the King farm, hoping Simon can do something for Terry. His brother has told me they're worried." "Pleasure to meet you, Mr. Barker," Harold said, while tilting his hat. "The pleasure and honor is mine, Harold. I look forward to seeing you this Sunday. I find nothing but magic in this area. Exciting things await you both in Sunday and Bottom Bend." Simon winked again as Harold cackled. "Hell, Simon, if you can rope that boy in, I'd be grateful. We caught him the other night just shooting at the sky. No birds, no flying deer, just open sky. You know me, Pastor, I'm laid back. But you should have seen his face when I approached him the next day to ask him to cut that stuff out. He's just... The boy hasn't been the same since he returned from the war.